How to cancel Zee5 auto-renewal subscription on iPhone. So if you want to cancel Zee5 auto-renewal subscription on your iPhone, then what you need to do is just watch this video. So all of your subscription made with, by iPhone or paid by Apple Pay, you're going to be able to cancel it by just following these steps. So go ahead and open up your settings. Once you're on your settings, you need to click on your name, which will be at the top, and you're going to see personal information, sign in and security, payment and delivery, and then you will have subscriptions. You need to go ahead and click on the subscription section, and you're going to confirm via facial recognition, and then go and hit your subscription, which is, in our case, Zee5. And then you're going to see the same settings. You need to just go ahead and hit the cancel or hit cancel subscription or cancel trial option. In my case, I don't have any subscriptions, but if you have taken any subscriptions with Apple Pay or if you've paid with Apple, then you just need simply go with subscriptions option right here, and then just go and select the Zee5 subscription, and on the bottom you will have cancel subscription. You just need to simply go and cancel it. In this way, you'll be able to cancel Zee5 auto renewal subscription on your iPhone, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.